I don't have COVID. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, hi, hello, or welcome. For those that are returning, or what's poppin', son, it's your girl Yelena, and I have something really new today. I mean, really new. It's new to myself as well, as much as it's new to this channel, and it might be new to some of you all. I am going to be doing a Foxy Eye. Yep, you've heard right. It's a Foxy Eye, and I have never done this in my entire life. Okay, entire life. And as much as I am low-key nervous, whatever, it's a learning process. So I think I'm gonna learn and you're gonna learn and we're all gonna learn together. So I have zoomed you guys in and I went ahead and set my eyes with concealer. I've decided that I'm going to use my Dare to Create palette from Morphe. I love it so much, and I think it's ideal because it has a lot of brown shades in it, or shades with brown undertones, and that will be perfect for this Foxy Eye, right? Look at all the transition shades here. And then there are these dark shades here, there are these shades here, like it's all over the place. So the first thing that I realized is that Foxy Eyes contains a lot of brown shades as well as black shades, right? A second thing that I've realized is that to do a Foxy Eye, you have to use a lot of finer brushes, like detailed brushes, so that you can keep everything in a particular area. I'm gonna get this detail brush that I have here from Selfish Cosmetics. So I'm going to gradually grow darker in shades as I go. I'm gonna start with the lightest shade in my palette, which is this shade right here, and it's going to be only accentuating the outer area of my eye. Another thing that I've realized is that most eyeshadow shades in a Foxy Eye takes place on the outer part of the eye, and we want to do it in a winged out style. Going to come up to the middle portion of my eye. So I'm going to use my original brush, the first brush that I use, this shade right here. So what I'm going to do next is take this dark shade right here. You see how we started to get a little eyeshadow wing? Let me go back in with the previous shade and blend it out, because it's all about, you know, getting a pretty blended look. Next, I'm gonna take another detail brush because we're getting darker. And I'm gonna take this angled brush that I have from Real Techniques. Well, yeah, I can't even joke and kick something. First, I'm not sure how this thing is going to come out. But if it is you are enjoying this so far and I'm not confusing you, you all can like, you can subscribe. Link mana, link mana. So far, I think so good. Just going back and forth with brushes to make sure that everything is blended. You know, I'm real serious right now, and then when things looking good, all the while it's gonna pop out. Right now, it's a serious mission. Serious mission. My Foxy Eyes is coming through. Foxy Eyes is coming through. I'm gonna use the same angled brush that I'm using to apply that dark brown shade, and I'm gonna use it to apply the black eyeshadow shade that is in this palette, which is right here. Somehow it's like, how do I manage to pack in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades right here? I don't even know, but it's happening. I'll blend it up a little bit because I don't want it to take over all the other shades of brown that I've just laid down there. With the detail brush, you would be able to keep your eyeshadow exactly where you want it to go, and it's not all over the place causing a mess. Well, if this come out like crap, I will course. I will real goes. I find it looking like one fat line, but don't worry, we can clean that up with some wipes. Okay. Let me blend out the black, and then of course go back in with my lighter shade because blending is important, guys. I'm gonna use a shade in my BH Cosmetics contour palette. I'm gonna use this remix between these two shades right here. I hate to see concealer creasing, so I'm gonna make sure I set that really good. So now that both my eyes are complete, I'm going to take a wipe and truly help me get this wing effect. I think we're starting to see something again. I'm a little excited now. I'm starting to get excited, guys. So I decided to make the black a bit thicker. I didn't want it as thin, and so far I think we're doing okay. What do you think? I have these pair of lashes right here. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna see how if it looks that I may need to cut it, and I also have another pair of lashes if I need to make it look fuller on the outer part of my eye, because remember this look is only focused on the outer area, and then we're gonna focus a little bit on the inner area, but right now we're not there. I got one eyelash done so far. Let's make sure I curl my lashes so that way I have all my lashes together, and then I flip it upside down. I'm going to apply my lash glue. Be sure to hold down the edges because that tends to unstick fastest. Making sure my lashes underneath not doing the most. Then I cut from this next piece of lashes that I had. I'm gonna tight line as well. That's it for the Foxy Eye so far. I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera, and then I'm gonna come back to do the inner corner, right? What I'm applying actually is this Nudist Peach from Wet n Wild Catsuit, liquid catsuit, sorry. I'm gonna add this shade, which is my favorite actually, from Second Love Cosmetics. It's in the shade Addison. This is just gonna go in the middle. And I'm going to apply my very cheap lip gloss from Ashley Lee, the Vitamin E lip gloss. You would have seen that in my last video. I'm gonna apply this over it and see how it looks. I'm gonna take a next lip gloss and apply it over it. So I'm gonna extend it with the same angled brush, and I'm just gonna extend it like right here. If you feel like if your eye does not slant down in any way, then you can always create that illusion. So that is what we're doing here with the eyeshadow. Now we're not creating that line on the lid. We don't want it there. We just want it coming out from the inner corner. And for the eyeshadow on the lower lash, we are just gonna keep it right in the middle up to right here. I'm stopping it. I'm not applying it any further because it's supposed to look like all the drama is happening on the outer part of the eye. Smoke out beneath here, and I'm only staying out here. but you can see the difference. Like, look how this eye hair looks way more tilted. It looks way more tilted up, meanwhile the other one does not look that way. You're seeing that? Oh my goodness. Can we safely say that this Foxy Eyes was a bit of a success? Can we? Is it too soon? Okay, so I finally started to get the Foxy Eyes vibe. Listen, I was so disappointed in the middle. I was like, hopefully you just need to complete your face and then you would see this look. I was really starting to get discouraged, but I was praying and trying to be positive, trying to finish to see what it looks like. Even if it was a failed attempt, it would have still been a video that I show you guys, because not everything we get right on the first try. This was my first try and I think I got it right. I mean, if you've seen other Foxy Eyes video and you think I nailed it, let me know in the comments. With the amount of videos that I've seen and the amount of pictures that I've looked at, I seriously think that I've nailed it. You guys get to be the judge. Other than that, I am loving it. But I'm really beginning to feel this look. If you guys are interested in, I mean, all the see my hair, I work hard for this, so I work hard for this look, you know. All the seeing this hair. Listen to me, it's mine. I bought it. It cost me $250. Would you believe? Are we talking TT dollars, right? So this hair, if you are interested, is from Sensational. The name of this is called Rainmaker and it's in the shade or color 1B. I got it from my girl Confidence by Gem. I'm gonna link her in my description, her Instagram. That is who I reached out to when I was like, girl, I like this hair. And then to be honest, I bought the hair some months back and then I was like, oh my god, I had liked this, but I don't know what to do. I find it so bulky. It's a half a wig, right? So I find it was so bulky and then I was like, nah, I need to work this thing. And then I did go to YouTube, the University of all things new YouTube, and I was able to find a video with how they would have done the half up, half down, and your girl try she hand at it, and it's giving me these kind of 80s vibes, you know, the big hair vibes, but I like it and I think I like it cute. So let me know if you're feeling this hair. $250. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my whole self. And I love this hair. I love the eyes. I like that I paired it with lip gloss. You'll not believe it's 9 o'clock in the night and I have to go and take this face off because I got nowhere to go due to COVID-19.